you ever wonder why some bus companies only have vehicles that look brand new, even after years of daily operations? It's not because they replace their buses more often. It's not because they spend a fortune on detailing. The real difference lies in one simple habit that most fleet owners completely overlook. Once you understand it, you will never see vehicle maintenance the same way again. A clean bus is far more than just an attractive vehicle. Everyone's removed dirt, process, mud, industrial residue, and contaminants that slowly damage paint, glass, lighting system, and exterior surface. Over time, this small layer of dirt can shorten the lifespan of expensive components and increase maintenance costs without operator even noticing. Companies that work consistently are not spending more money. They are not protecting the investment they have already made. The smartest fleet operators have changed the way they think about cleaning. Instead of waiting until vehicles look dirty, they build versions into their daily operation. Automatic bus wash system make this process simple, fast, and highly consistent. Every vehicle receives the same cleaning quality every single day, without depending on manual labor or consistent results. Drivers spend less time waiting, staff focus on more valuable work, and every bus leaves the depot looking professional before picking up passengers. But perhaps the biggest advantage is not the cleaner paintwork. It is the message your fleet sends. When passengers see spotless buses arriving every day, they naturally associate your company with reliability, safety, professionalism, and attention to detail. That first impression builds trust before anyone even steps on board. In the competitive transportation market, those details can become a powerful business advantage that many companies underestimate. If you are ready to make your fleet stand out while protecting your vehicle and reducing long-term operating costs, now is the perfect time to rethink your washing process. The right automatic bus wash solution can transform both your daily operation and your brand image. Subscribe to our channel for more real fleet maintenance strategy. And if you are considering upgrading your depot, contact us today to discover how Go&Go automatic bus wash can help your business achieve cleaner buses, lower costs, and stronger customer confidence every single day.